Looks fucking so good. Yeah, buddy! Go up in my grill. You get to see all my imperfections today. All right, now before we do the last coat of paint and everything, we're gonna build the cubbies so that everybody has a place to put their stuff during their workouts. It's gonna go right here, kind of in this area where the water fountain is, bench that we got for right there. So that's what we're doing right now. These cubbies are not gonna be for some small chintzy. Biggest bodybuilder in the house can stand on these. In the shelves or behind the smoothie bar to display the product in the like the proteins and stuff, all here, and then we can spray them, prime them, and paint them, and then basically just install them in the smoothie bar, where one shelf is gonna go there, and then one's gonna go right there. Prep work, stuff like this. You gotta rip everything down, get everything sized the right way, start nailing it together, gluing it together. Finish trim, finish work is a lot different than fast framing, but I like the details. The lights on all these shelves, so you can't see them. You're not able to see them when they're done, but this has been a pain in the butt. Taking a lot of time consuming. Did that one already, this one, and we're gonna power them up pretty soon. So we'll see what they look like. All right, today's been off to a great day. We installed the mirrors. It's only 10 a.m. and we're already done with all the mirrors. The guys showed up with the mirrors 5 a.m. Look at these things. Changes the space. Starting to look real now, guys. I threw in an extra one over here. I wasn't sure about it. I only planned on putting the mirrors there, but I was like, well, it was actually Kiera's idea to put one right there. So I was like, all right, let's do it. And then getting the mirrors up in the posing room, but I'll show you the other room first, because that's on the main floor here. So we got mirrors in that room and in that room. These ones we already had on. These ones are the ones we just put in today. Change the space. This is the leg room. It's gonna look fucking fire in here. Just gotta put the floor in, and we're gonna put some acoustic panels up in here to absorb some of that echoey noise. So that turned out fire. And yeah, pose room's done. Oh, posing room, mirror, mirror, mirror. And obviously I got my back mirror. And so once that's all dry, a couple days, we'll be able to tilt it, test it all out, do all the angles, adjust the lighting. This room is fucking done. I'm pumped. It's super cool, super clean. Yeah. So what a productive day already. It's only 10 a.m. We got the rest of the day to kill it. Looks good from here. Looks fucking so good. Yeah, buddy! Up here hanging the speakers now, getting the last little details done so we can get the flooring down hopefully next week. What do you think about being up here? Like, I know she doesn't really love it. Well, hopefully these speakers sound good. We'll see. People just think, oh yeah, just put lights behind the logo. You have no idea the preparation and the work that goes into something like this. I've done putting the last light on. I don't know if you guys can tell, but this is some premium stuff. These lights are next level. Match the building so nice, clean. They light up on the side. When you look at them like this, it just looks really sleek and modern, and the logo pops. So good. Let me show you guys. Look at that. I don't know. They just added some dimension right there. Yeah, buddy. So I just left my accountant's office, my CPA. We've been grinding on some stuff for a little while, getting ready for the next move. And let me tell you, you gotta just take some time and appreciate good people. And it's the hard times, the shitty times that really make this so much more, great. Like it's experience that I can't put into words. Like when I moved to Nashville, I knew no one. Came here with a dream, goal, a passion, but come into an area, take a risk, go all in and build this gym, and it was fucking tough. It was tough. I'm talking about spent every dollar I had to build this and still didn't see the results, right? Meanwhile, I had no connections, no business relationships, no accountant, no CPA. Fast forward to now where I finally got connected with a great CPA and an amazing accountant, Paula, one of the best ladies I've ever had the privilege of meeting. And she's just so helpful, got all my stuff organized and things are looking good. But like I said, I'm just so grateful for the good ones, and I feel it's just gonna explode, and it's good. It's good. This is what we've been waiting for. This is what we've been working so hard for. So much love, so much gratitude. Let's go! All right, we're getting ready to redo the entire parking lot. We're getting rid of these concrete blocks and bought brand new ones, so they're gonna go down after the parking lot's done. She's lifting them and putting them on here. Ripping up all this ugly turf, cleaning up the outside, getting ready for the landscape rock to come in. It's gonna change everything real fast. All this turf is rolled it up. Now we gotta clean up this spot, get it all prepped and ready for the landscape rock to come in. It's gonna look so good. Want to get to the next level, or if you have a dream and a passion that you haven't been able to fulfill, fucking get with me. Join my free program, my low ticket program, or hell, go all in with me and fucking transform your life like that. Right there. Yeah, buddy.